How to make video and voice calls using your smart Wi-Fi two-way video camera via the Nexxt Home app. On the smart Wi-Fi two-way video camera main interface on the Nexxt Home app, tap the phone call function icon on the bottom menu. The phone call function submenu will appear. Voice and video calls can be made from either the app on the smartphone or from the camera at home. To make a call from the camera at home, the person in front of the camera must press the green call button on the left of the camera head. An incoming call notification will be received on the app. Select voice call to answer with your voice only. The caller at home will be able to hear you through the built-in camera speaker. Select video call if you want to video chat. The caller at home will also be able to see you on the device screen. Select decline to decline the call. To make a video call or voice call from the app, simply tap Video Call or Voice Call on the screen. During an ongoing video chat, you can tap Mic to mute or open the microphone in your smartphone. You can also tap Speaker to remotely mute or unmute the sound coming from the camera speaker at home. During an ongoing video chat, you can tap Camera anytime to enable or disable the live video stream, leaving only the sound active. Tap End when you want to hang up. That's it! With this, you have learned how to make video and voice calls using your smart Wi-Fi two-way video camera via the Nexxt Home app.